Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically check your TikTok balance on TikTok, about my battery percentage. You're just going to select your profile page here, and to find your TikTok balance you're going to select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to just simply select balance, and here is where you can check your balance. Next, get started. I don't have a lot because I don't use this account, but here's where you can view your live rewards, like view it here. Apparently I only have like $0.01, but that's basically where you can find your TikTok balance. Again, I don't use this account a lot, that's why I don't have any from like live rewards, or like you can also check your coins here as well, and the transactions and etc. Well, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!